Okay, now take your English reader and turn your book to page number 103, Unit 9, Akbar and Birbal. Okay?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
going to read the next lesson, Akbar and Birbal. You would have seen all short stories even on cartoon, right? Even if you go to YouTube or if you ask your parents help, you can just type in Akbar and Birbal. You'll get a lot of short stories on them. Okay, Akbar is a king. Birbal was his minister. Okay, you will get a lot of stories.
What page number, ma'am?
Page number 103. Okay, all of you have taken your book. I will read the lesson. I want you to put your finger on your book and follow what I am reading. Okay? Akbar and Birbal. Once, Akbar and his minister Birbal were walking in the palace garden. Okay? Who is Akbar's minister? Who is Akbar's minister?
Birbal, ma'am.
Birbal. It's not Birbal, it is Birbal. Okay, Akbar's minister is Birbal. Where were they walking?
Place garden, ma'am.
Palace
Palace
garden.
garden, ma'am.
Yes, they were walking in the palace garden, not place. It is palace. Palace is nothing but a king's house. Okay, palace is a king's house. Both of them, the minister and the king, they were walking in the palace garden. The king saw a huge flock of crows flying around. What did they see? What did they see? What was flying?
Bird.
Crows, okay? Crows were flying around. Where were they flying? They were flying in the palace garden. Okay? He wondered who could ever count the number of crows in the city. Okay, is it possible to count the number of crows in the city, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Not possible. But then what is the king wondering? He's wondering, is there a way where we can count the number of crows? Okay, so let's see what he does. Okay. He immediately ordered his men to count the crows. So whom does the king order to count the crows? King's men. Very good. The king ordered his men to count the crows. The king's men went to all parts of the city to count the crows. They counted the crows on the rooftops. Okay, what do you mean by rooftops? On top of your house, the terrace. Okay, that is the rooftop. And then where else did they count? They counted the crows in the trees. Some birds sit in the trees also, right? So they also counted the crows in the trees. They counted the crows near the river bank. River banks means, what do you mean by river banks? This is a river flowing. Okay, if this is a river flowing, this part, okay, this part is called as the bank of the river. Okay, this is called as the bank of the river. This is the river that is flowing, and by the side, okay, this is called as the bank of the river. So where all did they count? They counted the crows on the rooftop, then
And the river banks, ma'am.
river bank, then
And in the trees, ma'am.
very good, in the trees. Okay, so here they counted who counted the crows? Very good. The king's men counted the crows on the rooftops, in the trees, and also on the river bank. Okay.
Page number, ma'am.
Page number 103. Okay. But still, they were not sure about the number of crows in the city. It is not easy for them or for anyone to count the number of crows because the birds, when it is sitting
There
in
will
one
be
place,
so many crows. We can't count
yes,
once
you cannot
a
count
day.
because when a crow is sitting in a tree, After some time, it may fly and it may go somewhere near the river bank. Okay, which means the men who was counting the trees, counting the crows on the tree, counting the crows sitting on the tree. Once it flies to the river bank, the one who's counting the crows in the river bank, they will count there also, right? Okay, so it is not possible to get the exact count. They discussed among themselves. What do you mean by discussed?
They discussed how we should count the crows.
After counting, they will start discussing. For example, when we tell you, okay, all of a sudden, morning when you come to the class, we tell you, today I'm going to give you English test. Okay, all of you will be sitting quietly and be thinking, okay, ma'am is giving English test. You will sit quietly in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Immediately you will turn to your friend, shoo, what wrong? Ma'am is saying that she's going to give test, right? You all discuss among yourselves, right? Okay, the same way here, even the king's men also, after they count, they come and they have a discussion because they're still not able to get a exact number. Okay, so first man, how many did you count? Okay, so man 1 asks, how many did you count? Turn your book to the next page. Okay, man 2, I counted 240, but I have doubts. Okay, so what does the second man say? I counted 240 crores, but then I still have a doubt. That is, he's still not sure about how many crores are there exactly. Okay, man 1, is that the right number? Are you sure? What is your doubt? Okay, so first man, he asks, are you sure that is the right number? Okay, he asks. Okay, so he says, is that the right number? Are you sure what you counted is right? What is your doubt? Because man 2, he says that he also has a doubt, right? He says, okay, what is your doubt? Then man 2, he answers, for a moment, I thought I saw more crows, but I think I'm right. How many did you count? Okay, so what does man 2 say? He says that I think I saw more number of crows, but I'm also sure that what I've counted is correct. Okay, so now then he asked man 1, how many did you count? How many crows did you count? Man 1, I think there are 165 crows. Okay, so the second man, how many did he count? He counted 240 crows, right? The second man counted 240 crores. But man 1, how many did he count? He counted 165 crores. Okay, so here itself you have two different numbers, okay, which they have counted. All the men counted the crows, but no one was sure of the number. Okay, so all the king's men, they counted the crows on their own, but then they still were not sure how many crows exactly were there in the city. Okay, the king thought it was the right time to ask Birbal. Okay, so once his men came back with different answers, then the king, he decides, okay, I think now is the right time for me to ask Birbal about how many crows are there in the city. He will be able to give me the right answer. But do you think even Birbal would have been able to give him the right answer? Do you think that he would be able to give him the right answer?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, even he also wouldn't be able to give, because like I told you in the beginning, not everyone can give you the right answer about the number of crows that are there in the city. Okay, some crows keep flying everywhere, right? They keep moving around. No crows are, like, at least when we say that we stay in a house, we know that we are staying in this place itself, but crows are not like that, right? They have different places where they keep moving around. Okay, people laughed and
They'll be with
answered.
us only.
Okay, because Birbal knows that what the question that the king is asking is actually not a valid question. Okay, he knows. Okay, so Birbal says, they are confused in their counting. It is very simple. Okay, it is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. Okay, so what does Birbal do? He says all the men who counted the crows, they're all very confused. Okay, so he says the answer is very simple. How many crows are there? There are 200 crows. Okay, but okay, we'll see how he gets that answer. Okay, man 2. But I counted 265 crows. Actually, man 2 counted. How many did he count, children? How many crows did he count?
265, ma'am.
No, he counted 240. There is a mismatch over here. And 2, if you see the second line here, he says, I counted 240 crows. Okay, but the same man, he's saying that he counted 65. 65 is what? Man 1 along with 100, 165 crores is what man 1 counted. Okay, there's a mismatch over there. Okay, so man 2, he says, but I counted 265 crores. So what is Birbal's answer?
Any counted.
No, we'll see. He gives a very clever answer. We'll see what he says. Okay. Birbal. Some crows have come to visit the city. Okay. For example, in your house, you stay with your mother, father, your brother, and yourself. 4 of you stay in your house. Right? This is the count of your house. A number of members staying in your house. But then, if somebody comes home, okay, if somebody comes home, say your grandparents come home, then you have your grandpa and grandma staying with you. So totally, how many members are there in your house?
7 members, ma'am.
4 plus 2?
5 members.
4 plus 2?
6.
6. Right? So your mommy, daddy, you, your sister, or your brother, and then your grandmother, grandfather. Totally 6 members are there. Okay, they just come to visit you for a few days and then they will go back. Yes? Okay, but actually in your house you have only 4 members. Okay, so the same way here, Birbal says some of the crows would have come to visit their neighbor, visit their relatives. Okay, that is why he's saying you got 65 crows extra there. Okay, man 1, but I counted 140. Okay, like I told you, there's a mismatch. This should be 165. Okay, so what is the answer that Birbal? What do you think is the answer that Birbal gives over here? And man 2 said that he counted more than 200. He says somebody's come to visit him. Right? Now when man 1 says, but I counted lesser number, lesser than 200. What do you think is Birbal's answer?
Birbal's answer is 165, ma'am.
Birbal's answer is not 165. He still says, no, there are 200 crores only. Okay, but then when man 1 says, no, but I counted only 165 crores, that time Birbal, you see what Birbal says, okay? Birbal says, some crows have gone to visit their friends. Okay, during holidays, you go to your native place, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the same way here he says, even some of the crows, they have gone to visit their friends. That is why you counted only 165. Okay, Akbar, you are very clever man. Now Akbar realizes that his question has, his question was not that. Yes, Kalpana?
In the crow, 2 men are there. The king and the serpent. In that crow photos are there, ma'am.
Yes.
Only there 25 are there.
Okay, probably in this place they have only 25 crows, but then they also counted the crows even on the rooftop, on the tree, then on the river banks, all the crows put together only they get that particular number. Okay, Kalpana? Okay. What does the king say? He says that Akbar has given a very clever answer. Okay. Now for Birbal's cleverness, what does the king give him? Akbar understood what Birbal had in mind. Okay, he knew what the question that he asked was not a very good question. He gave Birbal a bag of gold for the humorous answer. Humorous answer means funny. Okay, humorous, meaning of humorous is funny answer.
And what is the answer, ma'am?
You cannot, the answer is you cannot count the number of crows in the city. Okay, the answer is nobody can count the number of crows.
What is the answer, ma'am?
I'm telling you, Kalpana. Okay, nobody can count the number of crows in the city. Okay, so once Birbal comes back with different, he says first, the first man, how many crows did the first man say he counted? The first man says he counted See, you have man 1, man 2, and then Birbal. Right? Okay. Man 1, how many crores did man 1 count? He counted 165 crores. Okay. Man 2 counted 200.
140, ma'am.
Numbers that are mismatched, children, like I told you, initially if you see, man 2, he says that he counted 240 crores. Man 1 counted 165 crores. Towards the end of the lesson, they have mixed up the numbers here. Okay, but that's not important. It's just for your reference only. Okay, next one. How many crores did Birbal say is there? How many crores did
200
Birbal
crores.
say? Yes, Ankit.
200 crores.
Very good. Yes, Birbal says there are 200 crores. Okay, so once Birbal says that there are 200 crores, and who says, but I counted 240 crores, which means 40 crores are more, right? Okay, so what is the answer that Birbal gives? Okay, Birbal says there are only 200 crores. These 40 crores have come to visit these family. They have come to visit their friends and family. That is how he counted 240 crores. Okay. Then your man 1 says that he counted 165 crores. Okay, but what is the number that Birbal says? He's given 200 crores. Okay, so which means man 1, he's counted lesser number of crores. He is counting 35 crores less. Okay, 35 crores less. So what does Birbal say? What does Birbal say? He says out of these 200 crores, 35 crores have gone out of the city to meet their friends. Okay, that is why when he counted, he got only 65 crores. Okay, so what do you learn from this lesson, children? What do you learn from this lesson? However stupid a question is, if you just think, relax and think, you will be able to give a very witty answer, a clever answer. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay? Did you understand the lesson, children? Do you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we will go to the exercise.
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall we
No,
go to the
ma'am.
exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kalpina, you have a doubt, Kalpina?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Kalpina.
If we mix all the rows in one team, the numbers will be so much numbers, ma'am.
Yes, numbers will be more. Okay? Just remember, in a city there are only 200 crores. Okay, there are only 200 crores. If there are more crores, it is because from outside the city, some crores have come to visit. If the crores number is lesser than 200, it means that from the city, few crores have gone to meet their friends in the other cities. Okay, that is what Birbal is trying to tell the men. Okay, so I think somebody is having. No, I think somebody has opened the Zoom link twice in the same room. That is why the voice is echoing. Okay, please mute yourself if you have opened up two links in the same room. Okay, if you're using two different instruments in the same room, the voice will echo. Okay, now moving on to the exercise.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now before we move to the exercise, I'll ask you a few questions. Now, where was King Akbar and Birbal walking?
In the king's
Very good.
Palace garden, ma'am.
Yes, they were walking in the palace garden. Okay. Yes, I know. That's what I said. Somebody is using two instruments in the same room. That is why my voice is echoing there. Now, what was the doubt that King Akbar had in his mind when he saw? What did he see in the garden?
Only 200 crores, ma'am.
What was the doubt that the king had? What doubt that the king had when he was walking in the palace garden along with his minister? He had a doubt when he saw the crows. What was the doubt that he had?
Can we count the crows?
Very good. He had a doubt. He was wondering, is it possible to count the number of crows in the city? Right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, whom did the king ask to count the number of crows?
Akbar.
Akbar is the king. Whom did Akbar ask to count the number of crows?
Birbal, ma'am.
Did Akbar ask Birbal to count the number of crows? He asked the king's men. Even other people also, the others also, he asked them to count the number of crows.
Friends also, ma'am.
Yes, Kalpana?
They're Akbar's friends also, ma'am.
They're also working like Akbar to the with the king. Okay, they're working under the king.
In the palace.
Yes, in the palace. Okay, now I will give you the summary of the lesson. I don't want anyone to unmute yourself. Okay, please be on mute only. Okay, in this lesson you learned that King Akbar and his minister. Who was his minister? His minister was Birbal. Okay, they were walking in the palace garden. Okay, when they were walking in the palace garden, they see a huge flock of crows flying in the garden. Okay, that time a thought comes to the king. Okay, he wonders. What does he wonder? He wonders, is it possible to count the number of crows in the city? He wanted to know how many crows are there in his kingdom. Okay, so what does he do? He calls his men and he says, I want you all to go and count the number of crows and tell me. Okay, so here we see that you have two people along with Birbal. Okay, so man one, where all do they count the crows? They count the crows on the rooftop, then they count the crows on the river banks, and then they count the number of crows even in the trees. Okay, they count the crows in all these places, and then they come up with different answers. What are the answers? Man one, he says, I counted 165 crows. Okay, while man two says, I have a doubt, but then I'm sure that I'm right. I counted 240 crows. Okay, he says that he counted 240 crows. Since the answer was not right, Birbal, he thinks that it is better if he asks, Akbar thinks that now it is the time to go and ask Birbal as to how many crows are there in the city. Okay, so when Akbar asks Birbal how many crows are there, what is the answer that Birbal gives? He says there are 200 crows in the city. Okay, so but when Birbal, as soon as Birbal says that there are only 200 crows, the other two men who counted the crows, they will have a doubt, right? Because one is counted less than 200, the other one is counted more than 200. Okay, so when man 2 says, but I counted 240 crows, how can you say there are only 200 crows? Okay, so what does Birbal say? He says, maybe there are the relatives or the friends of these 200 crows, some of them would have come to these crows' house. That is why you get 240. So what does man one say? Okay, fine. So some of them have come to visit them. Fine. But what about my counting? I get only 165 crows. Okay, so he says I've counted only 165. How is that possible? Okay, so what does Birbal say? Like the way some of them came to visit these crows, some of the crows from the city have gone to visit their friends in a different city. That is why you are getting lesser number. Okay, so once Birbal explains why he got a lesser number and why he got a more number, King Akbar, he realizes that his
Excuse me,
question
ma'am.
is not. Yes, Umar.
I cannot hear you, ma'am.
Can the rest of you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Umar,
ma'am.
then you'll have to check your internet connection.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so once Akbar realizes that Birbal has given him a clever answer. Okay, it is actually not the right number. Even this 200 also is not a right number. But then to make Akbar understand, Birbal just gives a number. Okay, so this one Akbar understands, and then he rewards Birbal by giving him 200 bag of coins. Okay, he rewards Birbal by giving him a bag of coins.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Kalpana.
The voice is breaking, ma'am.
Kalpana, I think in your connection only my voice is echoing. But once I mute yourself, the is not coming. You need to check your
Excuse me, ma'am. It is your voice is echoing, ma'am.
Yes, I know. Okay. Now, here you have the meanings given here. Meanings of flock means a group of birds or sheep. Okay.
Oh my God.
Huge means very big. Then humorous, meaning of humorous is funny. Okay, meaning of humorous is funny. Clever means intelligent. Rooftops means the top of a roof. Riverbank, edge of a river. Palace is a king's house. Okay, so you will have to write these meanings in your English classwork. Okay, next one. Question and answers also I will be giving you in your classwork. Okay, for now you will just answer. What did Akbar see in the garden? What did Akbar see in the garden? He saw a huge flock of crows flying around. Who counted the crows? King's men. Yes, the king's men counted the crows. Where did all the men count the crows? Where all did the men count the crows? Rooftop, then riverbanks, then in the trees. Very good, even in the trees. Okay, now next one. What gift did Birbal get from the king? A bag of gold. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, now next one. Next page 106. Read the given sentences and answer the questions. Okay. First one, it is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. Okay. Who said this? Who said this? Birbal. Very good. Next question, write the answer. Birbal. Okay, next to the answer, write Birbal. B-I-R-B-A-L. Birbal. Okay, first one, first question. Answer is Birbal. To whom did he say? On page number 106, you have second main, right? Read the given questions and answer the questions.
Yes,
First
ma'am.
one, it is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. Question A, who said this? Birbal. Okay, write the answer, Birbal. And B question,
Where, ma'am, to write?
to whom was it said?
The page number, ma'am.
To whom was it said?
Akbar, ma'am.
Answer is Akbar. Okay, Akbar. Birbal says this to Akbar because Akbar is the one who asked, right? Akbar asked Birbal how many crows are there. That time Birbal says there are 200 crows. Okay. Second one, you are a very clever man. Who said these? Who was the clever man?
Birbal, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you the answer. You are a very clever man. Who was a clever man? It was Birbal. Write down. Birbal was a clever man. And do you agree with Akbar? Do you agree what Akbar said is right? Yes, okay. Birbal is a very clever minister. Okay. Next one, third name, choose the correct answer. Akbar and Birbal were walking in the dash. Okay, were they walking in the field or palace garden or on the river bank?
Palace garden, ma'am.
Very good. The dash there, right? Palace garden. P-A-L-A-C-E. Palace garden. Palace garden. Okay, second one, the king ordered his men to count the dash in the city. Crows, very good. Right. C-R-O-W-S. Crows. Okay. Next, third one, the king's men gave dash. Different answers or same answers or the correct answers?
Different answers, ma'am.
Very good. Different answers, right. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different answers. A-N-S-W-E-R-S. Answers. Okay. Next, fourth one. Birbal's answer was a dash. The correct answer or a clever answer or the wrong answer?
Correct answer, ma'am.
Clever answer, not the correct answer. It was a clever answer. Okay, it was a clever answer. Okay, all of you have finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will be sending you the picture of these also. Now, next page number 107. Okay, page number 107. Make as many words as possible from the following.
Ma'am, what is the second one and the last one, ma'am?
Which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, what was the second one and the last one, ma'am? With the given sentence and the questions. To whom it said?
1 minute, 1 minute. Nitin, I think there is a lot of noise even in your place. Manvi, can you repeat your question?
Ma'am, in the given sentences and under these questions, to whom was it said? The second one, ma'am, what is that answer?
You are a very clever man. For that
To
one,
whom
Manvi,
was it said? To whom was it said?
it was said to Akbar. It was said to Akbar. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are running short of time. I will be sending you the exercises. I will take a picture and I will send you the exercises. Make sure that you complete it. Hope all of you have understood the lesson, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If you all have any doubt, do ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. Then we will wind up with the class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.